You ever wake up, check your phone, and see a notification that says $18 received? And for a second, you're like, wait, who sent me money? And then you remember, oh yeah, that's from that side hustle or digital thing you set up a while ago. That's passive income. Money showing up while you're doing absolutely nothing. Now, I'm not talking about those fake buy my course gurus on TikTok who flex in front of a rented Lamborghini. I'm talking about real, regular people, like you and me, who figured out how to build income streams that actually pay them even when they're asleep. In 2025, that's not a luxury anymore. It's a survival skill. Because let's be honest, rent's ridiculous, groceries cost more than date night, and even streaming services are starting to feel like bills. So today, I'm breaking down 7 passive income streams that still work. No fluff, no scams, just real ways to make your money work harder than you do. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Dividend investing, the lazy moneymaker. This is the OG of passive income. You buy stocks from companies that literally pay you just for owning them. Like, imagine if Netflix gave you cash every few months because you watch too much. That's basically how dividend stocks work. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Johnson & Johnson have been paying investors for decades, whether the stock goes up or down. And with apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Public, you can start with as little as $5. It's not get rich quick, it's get rich slow but steady. Think of it like planting a money tree that grows while you binge watch your shows. Number 2. Create digital products. The make it once, sell forever trick. This is where creativity meets profit. Ebooks, Notion templates, Canva designs, online courses, printable planners. You make it once, upload it, and it sells over and over again. I know a girl who made a wedding budget spreadsheet on Etsy 2 years ago. She updates it once a year and still makes $600 a month while working her 9 to 5. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip handle all the heavy lifting. You just collect the payments. It's front-loaded work, but after that, your product basically becomes your digital employee. Number 3. YouTube, the 24/7 money machine. I don't care what anyone says, YouTube in 2025 is still one of the best passive income streams. Once your videos are out there, they can earn ad revenue for years. And no, you don't have to be on camera or have a fancy setup. There are faceless channels about AI tools, travel, finance, even relaxing rain sounds that earn thousands a month. You can use tools like Pictory, CapCut, or Descript to make everything without showing your face. It's like planting little money seeds. Each video has the potential to grow while you sleep. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Getting paid to recommend stuff. You know how you tell your friend about a product, and then they go buy it because you said it's good? Affiliate marketing is just getting paid for that. You share a special link, and when someone buys through it, you earn a small commission. For example, you make a TikTok, reviewing your favorite budget microphone, add your affiliate link in your bio, and boom, you start earning every time someone clicks and buys. You can do this with Amazon, ClickBank, or software like TubeBuddy, Canva Pro, or Skillshare. The key is authenticity. People buy from people they trust, not from sales robots. Quick question. If you could build one of these passive income streams this year, which one would you start with? Drop your answer in the comments, and while you're at it, make sure to subscribe because I've got a video coming up where I'll literally show you how to set up one of these from scratch, step by step. All right, let's keep going. These next ones are where people really start seeing steady, real-life results. Number 5. Print on demand. Your design, their product. This one's perfect if you've got a creative streak. You design shirts, mugs, hoodies, or tote bags. And websites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify handle everything. They print, ship, and handle customer service. You just get a cut of every sale. I saw a TikTok creator who made funny introvert energy t-shirts, and one design alone made her over $2,000 in a month. You don't need a storefront or inventory, just ideas that connect with people. Think niche. Instead of funny shirts, try funny shirts for nurses who survive night shifts. That's how you win. Number 6. Rental income. Without owning property. You don't need to buy a house to make rental income in 2025. People are renting out everything now. Got an extra parking space? Listed on Spacer or Neighbor? Got camera gear, tools, or camping equipment just sitting there? Rented on Fat Llama. One guy I know makes $400 a month renting out his backyard for photo shoots on SniffSpot. No mortgage, no tenants, just making money off stuff you already have. Number 7. High-yield savings and bonds. The safe, sleep well option. Alright, this one won't make you rich overnight, but it's the safest bet. Interest rates in 2025 are still around 4 to 5%, which means you can earn steady, passive growth just by parking your cash in a high-yield savings account or short-term treasury bonds. Apps like SoFi, Ally, or Discover make it super simple. It's not exciting, but it's reliable. And sometimes, boring money is the best kind. Look, none of these income streams are get-rich-quick. They're get-paid-smart. You build them once, stay consistent, and over time, they stack up. Even making an extra $200 or $300 a month passively can change your life. It's a bill paid, groceries covered, or a little more breathing room. So start small, stay curious, and don't sleep on the fact that you can literally make money while you sleep. Now tell me in the comments, which of these are you going to try first? And if this video gave you that spark to finally start building passive income, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with that one friend who keeps saying, I need to make more money, but spends 3 hours scrolling every night. Because hey, you could either scroll or start earning. Your call. Thank you for watching.